All right, this is Ron from Mighty House with a Building in Illinois update. And as you can see, we've got the tubing down for the floor heat. This will get about 3 inches of concrete poured over top of it. And that will then get tiled so that this sunroom will then have radiant floor heat. And then you can see the ductwork coming up for the air conditioning. And that will provide the AC in the summer. So one other thing you can notice, there is a tube here that just goes to nowhere, but that's where the thermostat will be. That thermostat will let us know what the floor temperature is and then make sure we're circulating properly and that we're giving the right temperature in the room. So that's it. This will get poured on Monday. Drywall goes up on Tuesday, and things are going to start taking shape next week. That's it for now. We'll talk to you soon.